Welcome. In this video, I'm showing you how to get your Visible account number and PIN. You need your account number and PIN if you wanted to keep your Visible phone number and transfer it to another carrier. Maybe Visible isn't working out for you, or you'd like to switch to another plan. Either way, this is how you get your account number and PIN. What you're gonna do is download the Visible application. I'll have this linked in the video description if you don't have it installed already. Tap to open it and sign into your Visible account. Then all you're gonna do is tap the account tab in the bottom right, and then right up top, you can actually see your account number. And to get your port out PIN, what you're gonna do is tap email a new PIN. If we tap the I button, it says the PIN is used for users porting out or leaving Visible who want to take their phone number with them to their new carrier. Please note this PIN has a lifespan of 7 days from the time of the request, so after 7 days the PIN will expire. You are limited to 3 PIN requests per 24 hours, and any new PIN requests will invalidate your previous PIN. So this is very safe and secure in my opinion to help block against SIM swapping tactics. Either way, what you're gonna do is tap email a new PIN, and you should get a Visible email with your account PIN. Again, this PIN is valid for 7 days, so you have 7 days to use your account number and that current PIN to transfer your phone number. If for whatever reason you don't see the email with your PIN, be sure to check your junk or spam email folder, and if the issue persists, you may consider reaching out to Visible support, and they'll be able to help you further. That's how you get your Visible account number and PIN. I really do appreciate Visible making it easy to get your account number and PIN. You don't have to call and wait on hold for like 20 to 30 minutes. You don't have to message support. You can do everything right within the Visible application. So I do super appreciate it. Either way, that's going to be it for this video. Click the like button if you found this video helpful. Subscribe for more videos like this one. I'm Stetson. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.